man, my team still lost, even though I gave them, how many kills that say? Like 91, 92? I only died 14 times. Like, what else y'all want me to do? Anyway, like and subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm finna show y'all why I like this game Enlisted. You see, first and foremost, I'm a selfish player. I know most of y'all be selfish too, cause you see me bleeding out, and nobody gonna revive me. So that's why I get to revive myself in this game. So yep, I'm gonna revive myself and kill whoever just killed me. And he's standing right there. He really bold. He outside on the block. Bah! Like it's New York. You feel me? Yeah, like this game, you saw how that just was one shot. Like it really takes a good shot. Like, you gotta hit the vital parts of the body. You can not take them out with that one shot, or you can boom, put them down, then boom, kill confirm. You feel me? Like y'all know how to play first person shooters. This ain't nothing new to y'all. Yeah, it's new to me, cause this is my first time playing. I'm going crazy. Y'all saw it on top of the board. I'm trying to help y'all get on top of the board. So these are some little tips. Don't worry if you get down, cause if I'm down, I can either heal myself or switch over to my squad. You're not controlling one person. You're controlling up to like 5 to 7 people because you're in a squad. So like wherever you go, your squad's gonna go. You can tell them to like post up, be defensive. It's pretty decent. I ain't gonna capture you. But look at this, man. Pow, pow. Got him down. You feel me? Sometimes like if you get them down, they can heal themselves to get right back up and shoot you. So that's why you gotta confirm them kills. That's why I be wasting them shots. I don't give. I'm letting them fly. You feel me? I be letting them fly. And it felt too easy at first. I'm like, ain't no way in hell I'm going crazy like this. Like you see this dude right here? Boom, he trying to cheese. He a PC gamer. That's why I like it. Man, it's Xbox versus everybody. The way I'm playing, you feel me? You ain't team Xbox, you get smoked. You feel me? Nah, then I had to look on the side. I'm like, okay, these are real people. It's just not good. You feel me? Like this dude right here, pow. You feel me? Got sniped like that. And as y'all can see, these snipers do damage. And they just be coming like ants. Like, boom, that dude dies. He gonna go to his next squad member. Boom, they all finna get capped. You feel me? They all finna get capped. Like, man, I know this game will be making some people rage, though. You feel me? Because I was finna rage. And I was getting my ass smoked, but I only got smoked like a few times. You feel me? Like, I don't know. Going up here sniping, I'll say sniping not my strong suit. It's not my strongest suit, but in this game, it enhances my sniping ability because I'm a hard scoper. I don't care. Pow! It's still